Well, welcome to Vlogmas. Today is officially day one of Vlogmas. I'm recording this on day one of Vlogmas, and I'm recording this at 7:31 p.m. on a day that I am not motivated, on a day that I decided that I would not be doing Vlogmas because of certain reasons. One, and the most important, being that I had started to lose guard a little bit, and I decided that it was time for me to connect back to my source, which is God. All right, so that is what I'm doing. I'm not going to be creating daily videos for Vlogmas, right? I'm going to be creating videos as I go. I'm going to be creating the normal videos that I create for you guys. And when I can slot in other ones like I normally do, I'm going to follow my normal schedule, my normal consistent posting schedule. But I didn't want anything to come in between me and my source, God. All right. But I just came here to encourage everyone that has planned to do the Vlogmas. Now listen, your race, my race, different. Okay, but I'm going to 100% still encourage you to jump on Vlogmas. Now, if you're not in the same position that I currently am right now, I want you to jump on Vlogmas. I want you to post every day. So for example, if you look at my screen and you look at how what ChatGPT has created for me, you would see that it has given me day one, day two, faith and festivity, day three, budget-friendly holiday tips, day four, DIY holiday decorations, day five, Christmas side hustle. I love that one because that is my strength, right? Day six, a day in my life. I'm able to create that. Day seven, gratitude in the holidays. The eight, kids and Christmas treats for the family, reflection and prayer, gift ideas on the budget, Christmas wish list as a mom, side hustle success stories, Christmas decluttering, Bible study for Christmas Eve prep, and all of that cool stuff. So if you're jumping on the daily Vlogmas trend, this is one way to get content ideas for Vlogmas. All right. You can see what I did with ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, tell it to create a daily content calendar for you for Vlogmas, right? A 20-day, a 25-day. If you want it for the entire December, ask ChatGPT to create it for you, and it's definitely going to create it for you. And Vlogmas is an amazing thing to do because it not only challenges your creativity, it puts you out there. You're diving on the trend, you're hopping on the trend and all that good stuff. So it's important for you to definitely jump on Vlogmas. Now, I will not be calling mine Vlogmas, even though I could, right, if I wanted to, but I will not be posting active Vlogmas. I cannot do vlogs every day, especially because of the fact that you guys know that I am a homeschool mom. Now, I can integrate it whenever I can, I will, but I will not do vlogs every day. All right. So I'm just going to follow my normal, consistent posting schedule. But I hope that you guys can definitely jump on Vlogmas. Okay. Now, here are a few steps that would help you on your journey to Vlogmas. Number one is you want to create a new video. You know, if you're one of those that have intros within their videos, you want to create one that has festivities around it, like the Christmas jingles and all of that. Also your outro, you want to make your outro festive as well. Your fonts and all of those, you want to make them festive. You want to add Christmas keywords to your tags. Okay, you want to add Vlogmas to your tags and to your to your titles oftentimes, so that to tell the algorithm that's what you're doing, okay, and so that it can push your videos to the right people. The second thing you want to do is be conscious about the things you'll be creating. When you're creating vlogs, make sure that even within your vlog there is an information, there is value within it, right? Don't just film you cooking, or you even if you're filming your cooking, right, make sure you're teaching us something, right? At the end of the day, that would keep people glued to your channel, right? And then create like a series of maybe things that you're doing in steps, right? Maybe things that are leading up to Christmas, and you're saying, okay, for today, this is what we're doing. And then at the end of that video, let people know what you'll be doing, what to expect tomorrow. All right. So that as they expect that tomorrow, they'll be so expectant. They're staying on your channel. They're subscribing because they want to see that. Now, keep the fun within it. Now, as much as you can, make it natural. Okay, let it just come to you. You don't have to script anything. Just be yourself. Let your personality shine during this Vlogmas. And I'm sure that you guys are going to definitely benefit from it. Like I said, I'm not going away. I'm still going to posting consistently. You guys know that I post up to about 4 times in a week. I'm still going to be posting consistently, but I'm not just going to call it Vlogmas because it's not going to be like every day, right? Because I'm going to have breaks in the middle, right? Or I may just call it Vlogmas and just, I can Vlogmas however I want to Vlogmas, right? All right, so that is another thing that will help. Now, if you intend to make money this December, definitely please go watch the previous video that I posted. You guys can make, like, I'm not even depending on AdSense this month. I am solely dependent on my digital items, my courses and all of that. And it is definitely yielding for me. And that is why it is easy for me to fall back and say, you know what, I'm not creating these videos. All right. So you guys definitely watch the videos in the past. You can still make money this year. All right. Above all, I want you to also start to think of what your overall goal for 2025 is. What do you want to do in 2025? Right? What do you want to achieve in 2025? And now break those ones into a smaller achievable tasks that you'll be able to achieve every month so that at the end of the year, you'll be able to look back and see that you have achieved something. Okay, now if you've not read the book, The 12-Week Year, I want you guys to go read it because it helps you break your year into 4 quarters. So every quarter is a new year. Okay, so this is the time for you to start to think of what you would do next year and the aim and the purpose for your channel next year. Now, I hope this December brings you glad tidings, great joy, and amazing surprises. And I hope that your days are prosperous. I hope that your month is prosperous, and I hope that your week is prosperous. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, if you find me an interesting person, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. My name is thetobyrich.